Welcome back to VTV News. Quảng Ninh authorities worked overnight on Thursday to trace suspected COVID-19 infections in the province. More than 600 people, including medical workers, police and military forces, have been deployed to all communes. Officials will also operate 6 labs in the province for quick testing. According to the National Steering Committee for COVID-19 Prevention and Control, Vietnam reported 9 locally transmitted cases on Friday morning, raising the country's total to 1,651. Of the new cases, 4 are from Hải Dương and 2 from Quảng Ninh. Hải Phòng, Bắc Ninh and the capital of Hanoi each recorded 1 new case. Chí Linh city in Hải Dương province has been on lockdown since midday Thursday under the order of Prime Minister Nguyễn Xuân Phúc. Provincial forces carried out strict supervision of social distancing measures overnight. Apart from the 5 checkpoints established, the city has set up an additional 18 checkpoints on all roads and waterways. In order to curb the spread of the virus from both inside and outside, Chí Linh city has isolated villages where cases have been confirmed. These measures have been implemented to address concerns that if cases rise above the response capacity of the local authority, Chí Linh will require higher level support. On Monday morning, the Ministry of Health asked provincial and municipal people's committees to impose drastic measures to prevent the spread of COVID-19 in medical facilities. The ministry demanded that frontline health workers be protected against infections. Regarding Hải Dương, Quảng Ninh and other localities in the Red River Delta, the ministry said that medical facilities must maintain the highest level of vigilance. All severely ill patients and 30% of inpatients will be tested for COVID-19. At an emergency meeting on Thursday, Deputy Prime Minister Vũ Đức Đam, head of the National Steering Committee for COVID-19 Epidemic Prevention, suggested that the 2 provinces of Hải Dương and Quảng Ninh quickly put up an epidemiological map and prepare for a lockdown.
Speaking at an online meeting on Thursday with the steering committees for COVID-19 pandemic prevention and control of Hải Dương and Quảng Ninh provinces, which is where now outbreaks have been discovered, Deputy Prime Minister Vũ Đức Đam said that as the SARS-CoV-2 virus has spread faster and has become more dangerous, pandemic control activities must be conducted more quickly and drastically.
I demand that all steering committees in all provinces must thoroughly understand this. The case that happened in Chí Linh, Hải Dương could also have happened elsewhere. If we are not alert, the situation will become much more complicated. I need all of us to uphold a sense of responsibility. I repeat, the faster and more dangerous this strain is, the faster and stronger we should respond to it.
Along with the tracing of people who had close contact with the newly discovered cases, he asked the Health Ministry and the 2 provinces to expand investigations on cases related to Vân Đồn International Airport in Quảng Ninh province. Currently, there are about 3,500 passengers traced. The lockdown will be carried out following up to 3 levels, like in the previous case in Sơ Lôi Commune, Vĩnh Phúc province.